fish.
Amazing baits. The whippersnapper.
The whippersnapper.
Catch some muskie on this.
That's impressive.
Yeah, boat got a little soggy last night. We've been having some serious rain. Actually, right now we're fishing before Alex would know this, hurricane. There's a hurricane going on, not right here, of course. We are close enough to the coast to get some effect. Anyway, I didn't formally introduce you guys to today's video. Welcome back, Wieners. It's good to see you again. As you can see, we got the boat here on the ramp. The Cole Burford is behind the camera, and we are about to do some fishing for a fish that you guys have requested so much on the channel. That being what? Do you even know what we're fishing?
Pike.
Pike. You got it, bro. You got it. So, yeah, I don't know why. It's good. I like it. It's fun. I like fishing for different stuff other than smallmouth and largemouth. But you guys have been asking in the comments, in the DMs, on Instagram, on YouTube for more pike. So we're trying to make that happen. Pre-storm frontal conditions here. We might get some snappy fish. Cole has never caught a pike before, so I'm very excited. So stick with it. Stay tuned. And let's go crank him.
Old Merc never fails.
So, here are the baits that we're gonna use to catch these pikes. I found that the pike in this lake like the smaller, more compact presentation. So we're gonna throw chatterbaits and we're gonna throw these little exo swims. These are 3 3/4 inch size. We've got like this electric shad color. Yeah, electric blue chartreuse. And then we've got, what's this one? Lab Magic. Really juicy colors. Seeing as today's video is sponsored by shopkarl.com, I figured I'd use some baits that you can actually get on the website right now. If you sign up right this instant, check the link down below, you can save a lot, and I mean a lot of money on your next purchase. Free shipping, you get deals, you get access to pre-releases, so when the Googans are releasing lures, you get first access to them. You're first ones to get dibs. Also, Googan Rods, shopkarls.com. They're coming very soon. I've actually got one of them on the deck right now, but you can pre-order them. I'll leave that link down below. But yeah, exciting days. Pre-order the Googan Rods, and we're going fishing, and Cole's on the boat, and Lucky's on the boat. What more could you ask for? Let's go rip some lips. Also a good shot of catching a loon today too, so be prepared for that. Loon. And if you see him follow it too, just keep the rod in the water. Do that, get a little figure 8. Oh, that's a pike. I'll be damned if it isn't. It's a nice bass. It's a nice bass. Decent largemouth, dude. Hell yeah. Well, got something going. That was pretty sick. Yeah. I was certain it was a little pike. Freaking hell yeah, bro. Short, stocky, main LMB. Good stuff.
Look how dark they are.
I know. Living in this grass.
Yeah.
Jeez, that seems so pipey.
Wow.
You gotta look fat. Dude, the thing gutted up. What was he eating a frog for? He all gutted up. Oh my god! How is that not a... Is that a bass?
Yeah, dude.
They're fired.
Oh my god,
that's a good one. Oh my god! Oh, it just came off. That was a good fish. Whoa, 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 whoa! What is going on? I never catch bass back. I mean, we do occasionally, but like, okay. I'm going to throw the frog now.
I'm gonna get him on this.
That was so stupid. Wow, that was awesome. Here we go. Here we go. Oh wow. I do declare, that is how you miss a bite, folks. That is how you miss a bite. Ooh. Not always. The score was high out. Oh, what? How you throw on there? How you gonna miss that? That was my first actual bite of the day, guys. First bite of the season, matter of fact. Going really good. I flubbed it too. So that's a drake.
Yeah, it is.
Juvenile mallard. Yeah, but you've never shot a duck, though. Oh, that was so cool, dude. What? He came completely out of the water. All right, well, we were after pike, but the pike lures we're throwing also work for you know what? Little green bass. Look how, I'm speaking of green, dude, these things are like midnight. So cool. My first fish of the day. Very warm too. Do you notice how warm yours was? Looks like a Florida bass. It's really sick. All right, buddy. See ya. That guy must have read the instructions on the frog.
Yeah, he really
it says
did.
eat me.
Yeah.
Biggest. Oh, there goes my face.
That was I don't think that was bad.
You don't think it was? I was really paying attention. I was just trying not to get hit in the nuts and or face by your frog. I dodged that bullet. Hey, if you can dodge a frog, you can dodge a ball. If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a frog. Oh, I love it. Yeah, Patchy Ahoy. I love that movie. So good. Oh, something's falling. Look at that. Oh! That was so sick. He followed it all the way out. It's crazy. You had a weird intuition that day to go out on Arlington, huh? Some instinct, yeah. That feels weird. I think it's a bass. It's pulling a ton. It's a bass, it's a good one. On the cheddar bait. Holy moly, this thing's owning my ass. Good lord, sister. I think so. It's been a while. Huh. A little largemouth. We'll take it. Huh. I never should have said we're going for pike because we catch everything but pike. That's okay though, we'll take it. Nice little largemouth session before hurricane's always fun. Nice. Little green guy. Thank you for biting. I'll see you later. Come on. They live right here. We are in the bedroom. Oh wow, that's a nice piece of grass right there, Bill. Just gonna work it right out of there. Hopefully a pike sits on it. Oh yeah. Oh! Pike! We caught one. Yeah, that's a pike. That's a pike with a chatterbait in his mouth. Not the size, but it's the species. I thought it was a pickerel for a second. You gonna touch it? Little guy. Not the size we wanted, but I suppose we accomplished. These ones are the wiliest. Oh, frick me in the... Ugh. Stop doing that! See ya. There we have it. We're a little pike. We got it done. Wow, that's a nice one, damn. Oh, I got a bite.
Yeah, probably I'll pick up into this far bank.
Probably, but that, no. Oh my god. That feels suspicious. That feels very, that's a pike. 100%. 100% a pike. Pickerel! Pike? Pike. We'll take it. Oh, I knew that felt weird. Here we go, guys. That's about the size that we catch. The average, they get way bigger in here, like 40 inches, no doubt. But that's a decent one. We'll take that all day. We did it. We caught a pike. Mission successful. That's so much fun, man. They fight so hard. He says as he boat flips it. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Just a beauty. Freaking nice little beauty. I thought it was a pickerel at first, but got a good look at her. I'm like, oh wow, that's what we're after. Look at them canines. Gorgeous fish. Sit back. Bye-bye. Ate real close to the boat too. I'm done. But that's all she wrote. This hurricane's starting to make its way on down to this area and the sun is setting. So I think it's our time to scoot. We got the pike. We got two pike actually, and some nice bass, courtesy of the Equal Burford. Get out of here before it gets gnarly.
First try, just like always.
First try, right?
Just like always. Well, that was like the most fun I've ever had fishing, probably top 2 for sure. Hammered the pike.
All right, folks, the low is out of the water. Mission success. That's really bright. Are you trying to blind me right now? Because it's working. We did catch a pike. We caught some largemouth. Meet you guys back at Camp Claw. Mission. Hey man, put it there. Gotta cover up old Bessie. This rain is gonna get nasty. Good enough. That's my favorite saying. Yeah, it's good enough. Total buff. Hey, Alex.
Are you finishing this video? Well, today, guys, we're cooking hamburger.
Alex?
What's up?
Dude, you're still here. Not only did he stay, Peric this morning, or what was it, like at 5 p.m.? You got out of the couch and you were like, well, I'm leaving, going back to Texas. And Nicole and I had a bet to see if you would either be here when we came back or you'd left.
I'm an idiot.
Why?
Okay, so all my
Why am I
stuff
asking why?
all my stuff is cleaned up,
Yeah.
and I was gonna pull the best prank ever.
What did
I was
you do?
gonna go camp in your woods, and
Why
like
didn't you?
I should
So
have.
funny.
Because it started raining.
You shouldn't even told me this.
I know.
That'd
Yeah,
have
no,
been
I'm
so...
not gonna do it now because I'm probably gonna leave tomorrow. Maybe I won't.
What? Don't leave. Don't leave. You don't have to.
I'm gonna leave, bro. I felt like I
we
had-
want him to, but you don't have to. Just kidding.
I was fishing.
Well, Cole still has not caught a pike.
Oh, you suck.
Yeah. We caught 2 pike, but combined length for the 2, maybe 32
Dude,
inches.
fishing in August is not the answer.
It was almost the answer.
What was
What?
the water temp?
You know what? I didn't
79.
know. Oh, where is it really?
Yeah,
Wow.
79.
I got 79 back in Texas. Anyway, folks, we're back home. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching today's little banger. This is a micro banger. We'll film something a lot better tomorrow, but it was just nice to get out. We made this video happen like within the last few hours of daylight. So, hurricane's coming through. I'm buckled on here at Camp Claw. Probably slam a few claws and wait for this thing to pass. We appreciate the view. Thank you guys so much. Be sure to drop a comment, give us some ideas for the next video, and as always, folks, you gotta say it. What do you think people can read your lips? You wanna do Braille next time? Keep fishing, never stop.